What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your Chartist. Today is March 9th, 2024, Saturday, local time, 10:41 a.m. Welcome to Spy Weekly. I will be analyzing Spy for this coming week. If you do like the analysis, you can follow me here on TradingView, and you can also follow me on X, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. This is my X account right here. Let's get back here and let's start the analysis. So first thing is that this black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. There's nothing much to talk about these indicators because they are of no use right now. Uh, Firstly, uh, trend is up on every single time frame from yearly to even daily, but it's changing on smaller time frames, of course. Um so when higher time frames are all up, you shouldn't short the market. Okay, if you guys are trying to short, I get a lot of messages from people telling me that they're doing this, they're doing that. I'm only telling you that you cannot short. It's against the rules. You cannot short against the trend. Now, what is happening here is you can clearly see prices doing higher high, higher low. Okay, and this EMA 20, especially this black line, I'm telling you, EMA 20 works as a very very great support for price. Look here, I'm showing you here. Look at this, price comes here, but you don't, support doesn't mean that it's going to come right to it and then it's going to bounce. No, it will act as a support, as you can clearly see here also. Once it is above here EMA 20, look at this. This is black line is EMA 20. Look at this, how beautifully EMA 20 is respecting it. But you don't have to trade indicators. So here what I am understanding here is that uh, I posted this, that it can fall, and it did fall. I was not trading SPY at all yesterday, and I have no positions for SPY for Monday as well, because I don't believe in gap ups and gap downs. If a trade is running against you, you should cut your losses immediately. Now, what is happening here is no proper demand zone. The only demand zone which looks good is this guy right here, 496. And don't worry, that price can never come here. It will, and whenever it will come, nobody will have the balls to buy SPY here. But again, there are stop loss levels here as well. But you need to understand this, that market is bullish. It is showing momentum. Clearly, it's showing momentum, so you don't have to short the market. So this here I'm going to show you. This is a bear divergence right here. Look at this. So it's losing momentum. I'm showing you on charts. Look here. Look here. This is also a bear divergence, but price never came down. So you don't, people don't know how to use RSI, but they're just telling you it's overbought, it's oversold, whatever. Understand? I'm showing you here bear divergence. Look here. Look at the top and look at the bottom on the RSI. This is a bear divergence, right? It's losing momentum, but again, price doesn't go down. It doesn't want to go down. Okay, you want to see another bear divergence? I'll show you one more. Look at this top right here. Okay, and look at this top right here. Bear divergence again. Price retraces barely and then boom, this demand works. Okay, poor demand, it works. So and even you need to understand that uh, it's in the bull range. This is a bull range, and look how well this is supporting 60. This is RSI respecting 60 levels. Can you see this? This is not a breach of 60 level. This is actually that RSI is taking support on 60 levels. So this is showing momentum. Why I am talking about momentum and not price action right now is because price action is clearly telling you that it is already all time high. You don't know, I've been telling you this, that you don't know if fresh selling comes in. Nobody knows. If anybody is telling you that this is an ABC or whatever, third, fifth wave or whatever, you don't know. Waves cannot tell you. Okay, if it's working for you, it's fine. I'm not going to discuss that, but understand this very clearly. EMA 20, I showed you, I'm not trading these indicators. Again, price action, I'm telling you that price action is, now it's in, there is no resistance at the top. So this is the demand zone. If you ask me which one to trade, 496 is an amazing demand, not an amazing, a good demand. to trade, then you have a beautiful demand here. But how will you understand the quality of demand and supply? So this is where, we I study, I conduct batches, but that's for a separate discussion. I'm not discussing the batches here. But now when price is all time high, we need to understand that we need to see where the momentum is. Now I'm going to turn on the drawings, and I've showed you examples of bear divergences. That bear divergence is just a detour of, an uptrend. It doesn't mean that price is going to go down. Same, try to recall what is happening in Tesla. So in Tesla, it did a bull divergence, so it's a detour of the downtrend, so it's retracing up and then it needs to come down. Same thing. Bear divergence does not mean that, it's going to go down. Bear divergence usually comes in uptrend, and if it's happening here, it's critical. But I knew that, it's a detour because of some reasons. Okay, anyways, I'm not going to discuss those. But for now, understand, we need to focus where the momentum is. Now I will turn on my drawings. Okay, I'll move this here for now. You need to focus on the charts right here. First things, these lines, which is for 507, 505, price has momentum here. Okay, definite momentum here. And on top of that, you have, when price is going to come here, you will have support of EMA 20 as well. So understand that if price is going to come here and it takes support, you cannot tell on the first candle. Nobody can tell. Even I cannot tell you that, okay, it's going to take support or not. But chances are, probability is, that's why indicators are lagging and you cannot rely on indicators. But chances are EMA, usually any kind of EMA usually works in trending market. So it should work as a support because algo traders are trading this. Now, we have momentum here, right here in this structure, and this poor demand was also, has been used, and pending orders were picked up from here. Very, very, very poor demand zone, but this also worked. Now, one thing is that momentum is definitely in this box, and if it goes here, if you see a closing around 504, book your losses, because then it can, what is there to stop the price? Nothing. Price can definitely come here, and then we have momentums here, and look at this, I've marked these levels already. And entry is right, would be right here, 496. Stop loss would be 492. But everything, when price will come here, I will have to see when price is coming at 496. I'm telling you now, don't blindly trade these levels. You need to see what kind of selling pressure is coming in. I'm talking all logics. If big red candles are being formed here, imagine on Monday there's a gap down and price comes here. I'm not going to trade this. I'm going to watch it, because if selling pressure is there, then you don't know what's going to happen. But you need price to come slowly down, wasting all option contracts theta, and then it's coming down, and then you can make money. But definitely I'll play out of money calls here with stop loss levels, of course. But yeah, I need, if it comes here, I'm targeting for 514, 15, whatever. Don't get too excited that, it's going to go to 518, 520 by March, by whatever, right? Nobody knows. And don't ever try to, you can only, don't, let me complete this, don't try to go and check data from previous year or previous to previous year. It makes no sense, because whatever you are thinking, institutions are, ahead of all this data which I am analyzing, or whatever you are analyzing, or whatever indicators we are working on. They are very smart because they have money. They can quickly move the market in one direction. Okay, but definitely when you are reading market, you can understand where to buy and where to sell. But again, it's a game of probability. That's why we do have stop loss levels. So momentum is here, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing much to talk about SPY. One more thing, one important thing is, you see this blue box, this would be a weekly range. So this blue box has a high of 518 and a low of 505. Okay, this is your weekly range, trading range. And this green box, which is 515, and 508 is your trading range for Monday. So price can move, can go down here, take support of these levels, and then go and hit 513 or 515. But this would be your trading range for Monday. So 515 and 508. If it breaks this, then it's gonna come here at 505. Can come here. So that's pretty much it. Mark these levels on your charts as well and see how it works. Uh, do not trade options blindly. All right. Take care. And yes, I'm long in shop, and I will explain you what can happen. And yes, shop can go down to 70, 66 levels. But why I'm long, I'll explain you everything in the next video, which will be uploaded probably by evening. Because it's going to be a case study, interesting one. All the future traders can watch it because it's going to help you, and you need to watch the video on demand zone and also the case study which I did on Tesla, how to select a stock. It's very, very important if you are looking for trading as your career. So that's pretty much it, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful trading week ahead, and we'll see you on Monday. If you did like the analysis, just make sure you follow me on TradingView, YouTube, X, which is right here, Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube. Don't forget to press the bell icon. That's me right here, so you can follow. Definitely, I'm posting trades here. Look at this. And one more thing that happened pre-market was that entries were given here, and my target was 516 when entries pre-market were being given to us. But again, when it gapped up right here. So trade was already done. Intraday was already done. That's why you see 516 get out as per 15 minutes. But then it ultimately it broke this. So that's pretty much it, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.